everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 782 of trying a new makeup product every day. Before I even get into my product today, I just want to take a little moment to address what's going on in the world and how it's affecting my life personally, because I just really want to thank all of you for giving me a purpose. These YouTube videos mean so much to me. It's more than just the makeup. It's about seriously like giving my life purpose right now. Like today I showered, I styled my hair, which I didn't have any other reason to style my hair than I just wanted to make myself feel better, and knowing that I would be able to be on camera, it gave me this purpose to get out of my pajamas, and this is something that I absolutely love. And in these hard times of not leaving my house for longer than I ever even thought was possible for me, all of the scariness in the news, which of course I am so thankful for the healthcare workers that I can't even imagine what they're going through. My sister is one of them. She's still going into, she works at a nursing home. They don't have the supplies that they need, and that's so scary. I can't even imagine. So I want to do whatever I can, my part, staying home, social distancing, and still being able to show up on YouTube for you all every day, because you all show up for me. You give me purpose, and I need that. So thank you. If you're watching this, if you've ever watched any of my videos, thank you. It means so much more to me than you even know. But so let's get back to our regularly scheduled programming. No, but I am really excited about this makeup product today. And so this is the NARS Powermatte Lip Pigment. And I have tried out very few NARS products before, but I got this in my March 2020 Boxyluxe box. So I will have my unboxing video of that linked down below. I got this in the shade Lowrider, and I'm so excited to swatch this. So this retails for $26, and it comes in tons of different shades. But let's check out this shade. Whoa, this is a unique shaped applicator. I was not expecting that. It's kind of like an arrowhead, more of like a pointy shape. So let's see how this looks. Oh, this is beautiful. This is absolutely a shade that I love. It's like a strawberry pink. So perfect for spring, because now it's officially springtime, even though it does not feel like it with the weather that we're having around Boston lately. Wow, yeah, this is pigmented. Wow, BoxyCharm did a great job sending me this color. This is definitely a color that I would have chosen for myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. This applicator seems like it would be really great for getting like a precise line too, so let's see. Yes, like I can basically do a lip liner with it. I love it. It's so pretty. It's a pretty thin formula too. I was a little surprised by that. So, ooh, it did dry down right away. Nice matte finish, but since it is a thin formula, it's not as fully opaque as I'd like it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a second layer, but I do really like this applicator. Very easy to use. There we go. It does layer up nicely. I feel like I have to kind of let it dry before I really touch my lips together. But I absolutely love this color. I'm so glad I have this because this is the type of color that I would wear any day, anytime. It's the type of color that makes me happy, which that's what we need. And this looks so good on the lips. Like, my lips were very dry before I applied this, but it looks smooth, even, not clinging to any dry patches. So it's a really great formula. I love it. This really lived up to my expectations. It's all around a great liquid lipstick. Beautiful color, great formula. I love how it looks. Now I'm really curious about a kiss test. That is not much at all for this color, like no fading. So this is also going to be long lasting, which I love. I love a long lasting lip color because when it looks this beautiful, I want it to stay intact. I don't want it to be fading after just any little transfer. So this is great. I know that I'm probably pretty late to trying this product out. So if you've tried this before, I would love to hear your thoughts on it and what colors are your favorite, because looking at the colors that are available at Ulta and Sephora online, so many beautiful colors, but really happy I got this one. Even though I'm saying this is the perfect shade for spring and summer, who am I kidding? I would wear this hot pink year round. Like, I am not taking this color off. So I want to say thank you so much for watching my video, supporting me, and please stay safe out there, stay healthy, and we will get through this, and it'll be a lot easier to get through if we all have each other. I know that I need you guys in a time like this, so thank you. So I can promise you that I will see you tomorrow in my next video, because I am still gonna be here and I'm so happy about it and so thankful for it.